Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So before we will start, let me simply quickly turn on the composition guide and we have to obviously begin with opening the camera, so let's tap on it. I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so basically they should disappear after the whole operation. So to reset the settings we have to open this 4 dots icon here, so let's simply tap on it and now enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down all the way down actually to find this option Reset Settings and tap on it and tap on Reset to confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences to their defaults. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.